So the first thing I want to talk about is how to time the camshaft. So the first thing you want to do is make sure that all of your rockers are loose. If you're doing this with the heads on, you want to make sure that all the rockers are loose so that there's no load on this. The easiest way to do it without pulling the oil pump off is to take a paint marker and mark the gear and the block. If you want to come over here, and can you see the gear and the block? So it won't matter where that mark is as long as the crankshaft doesn't move. So once you mark this and this is loose, you can pull this tensioner off and the whole chain will be loose enough for you to move it around and retime it. So when you get ready to put it back in and you're wanting to line it all up, you just time it, you just get your lines close. Okay, obviously it needs to come over another gear. Use your tensioner and you get your line marked right back up. As long as the crankshaft never moves, you should never have to pull the oil pump. So just mark the gear, mark the block.